Again, going back to branding, it's very important that whenever you say, I'm a graduate of SCR, this is me. I am Baste. Who is Baste? You are Baste. Dapat andun eh. Andun yung yabang. You know, I'm a very proud letranite. Why? I experienced what it means to be a letranite. If you see yung salubong, I said to them, yung council we came here, they told me, Atty, ano gagawin sa salubong? Ako, make it distinctly Baste. Kasi kako, pinaliwanag ko sa kanila how we do it in Letran. Ang gagawin sa amin, one day, naka-blue kami. The second day, naka-red kami. Ay, red, pas blue. Yung mga seniors namin, blue and red. So, parang andun yung kulay. Uniform kami. Hindi iba-iba ang kulay. Walang mga soloista doon tulad dito. CS blue kami. Matigas ang ulo ng CS. Engineering black kami. Let's remove that barrier. Dapat one color, green. Every one of us, we follow that. Kailangan ganun tayo. Yun ang importante para sa akin. Now, I told them, yung Caracol, were you here during the salubong? The salubong, kasi sabi ko, what's particular about San Sebastian? What's particular about Cavite? Diba, we are fun-loving. Masiyahin tayong tao eh. Happy-go-lucky, masiyahin. Well, then let's capture that. How do you capsulize that? Festive, happy-go-lucky atmosphere. Caracol. Diba? Caracol namin yung santo. Hindi yung mga estudyante, hindi sumama sila sa Caracol, may banda. Eventually, I want to build the culture. Because if you don't build the culture, the students will not remember what happened to them in college. In Letran, I said, I remember that. After the binyag, papasok kami sa gym, ginagano kami. And then, tatakbo kami, pagpasok namin doon, babasahin kami ng tubig. Literally, binyag eh. Binyag arriba. Binasa kami ng tubig. Pagkatapos, pupunta kami sa harap, luluhod kami sa harap nung knight in shining armor. Idadab kami ganyan. Pagtayo namin, bibigyan kami ng rosaryo. See, that's the brand. Now, for Baste, what is it? Happy? We're happy. O, let's capitalize. Unti-unti natin. So, for me, branding is important. Now, what the brand is, well, hindi pa natin alam. But if it's about fun, if it's about festivities, then let's start with that. Perhaps from there, we'll have something.